In today's video, let me show you how to withdraw from Binance to bank account. So if you're trying to withdraw your funds that is available inside of your Binance directly to your bank account, let me show you the exact process that you need to follow. Now, first of all, in order to withdraw to your bank, you'll need to first of all have a fiat currency. If your account only currently has cryptocurrency available, you'll need to first of all convert it to fiat currency, whether it be US dollar, euro, or your desired currency. So just head over to trade, tap on convert, select the cryptocurrency that you own, and then the currency or the fiat currency that you're trying to convert to. Once you enter in the amount, the total will be visible. Just tap on preview. The conversion here would be made. Once the conversion is complete, you just need to head over to the home section, head over to your wallet and choose the withdraw, and then just toggle on the section which says crypto to fiat. In this case, what you'll also need to do is select the method of transfer, which in this case is going to be bank transfer, and then you'll need to link your account if you haven't already. You can use the bank's routing info or the Swift code as well in order to link your bank. Once the bank has been linked, you can just enter in the amount that you're trying to transfer from Binance to your bank account. The transfer usually takes a few minutes as well as up to 5 days depending upon your banking networks. So this is the exact steps that you can follow in order to transfer from your Binance to your bank account. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.